Hello, hello. This is the Awful and Awesome Entertainment Wrap, episode 380. This is Rajesh Sen.
This is Abhinandan Sekhri,
And this is Manisha Pandey.
who
Yay.
has joined us this week because we have cerebral pop culture analysis happening.
Topical news.
Newsy.
And in other news, today Rajshri Sen has come wearing a Punjabi salwar suit. Hey, kadiye, balle, oi!
But we want
Vishan,
to...
shavo,
It's not
shavo.
Punjabi.
It's not Punjabi.
Of course it's Punjabi.
Chanderi, right?
No, yeah, it's some cheap material.
How does that have to do with anything? It's
900
Punjabi.
rupees.
Everything suit is not Punjabi,
It's
no?
very Punjabi. No, not this suit is definitely Punjabi.
It's the
Then what is it?
designer Sekhri. Designer Abhinandan Sekhri, who also
Known for
moonlights.
his white kurta and black
known
heart.
for his great fashion understanding.
Of
and
course,
sense.
darling. You should do the what's it called? The last person who works in a fashion show.
But you have such an illustrious
Showstopper.
fashion.
You should be my showstopper. You will fucking be my showstopper anyway. The show will stop because of you.
The show started because of you. I'm saying you have a very illustrious fashion designer from your school, I think.
But what is it? Illustriously, the father of Indian fashion designers from our school.
Ooh.
As
Rohit
in J.J.
Khosla.
Walia's father. Okay, sorry.
JJ Wala. Rohit Khosla.
Rohit
Khosla is the
Khosla's
father of
from
Indian
Doon.
fashion.
No. Before that, there was no such. There was
He has
no
a
fashion
fashion show.
designer.
He was
Yeah.
very good looking.
All this whole generation of Rohit Bals and all, Rohit Khosla was the pioneer, the original.
I was thinking of Moshe. What's his name? Moses. Moses?
Okay, let's move
He's
on.
a fashion designer
He's
also.
not.
He takes IV drips to Jamuna Narang and they put it on Instagram and they talk about having IV parties. So it's very cool the things that are happening in the
Okay,
world.
we'll give you other headlines, but before that, I want to thank you. The data has come in, and many of you are actually subscribing to News Laundry through Awful and Awesome.
Woohoo!
See, saving my
What?
nose.
Acha.
I've done full
Maybe-
Hindi to English. Mera naak.
And when you know neither, stick to Bengali. but
saved
thank
my
you so much. There's a QR code here. You have proved that the Awful and Awesome also gets subscribers in, and that idea some of us are toying with, that if it's not really leading to subscriptions, should we continue it because it is a drain on resources? You have emphatically said no. And another interesting bit of data, ladies, because
Ladies.
this is to do with, we are going to be reviewing, the ladies will be reviewing that on women's.
Mrs.
On the women's. What will we be reviewing on the
The-
women's?
on the women's.
remake of the
Huh.
Malayalam film. The data is in. Do you know this podcast is the only property, not just on News Laundry,
Huh.
but across news, at least what we have shown. You know, news is highly skewed. Men are consumers of news
Yeah.
websites and all. This is the only property on News Laundry, and also the stuff that we checked this
Huh.
morning. I had a meeting with Chitranshu, which has a higher women listener
Was
ratio
it
than
you?
men.
Because you're a Katrina Kaif.
I'm also
But a
an
male.
Hafta is overwhelmingly
But there
male.
are so many other men now, we can't give you credit for that.
You know, you
That's
have
right.
to reduce everything to gutter level. That is very
Don't
unfortunate.
say-
And
this
also,
is the thing now, how Samay Rana feels, I'm also feeling now.
okay, first let's get the headlines.
In good news for Ranveer Alabadia, Beer Biceps, who has been involved in a controversy after making an incestuous joke on India's Got Latent, the Supreme Court granted him relief from arrest.
In bad news, he was told by the bench to not make any more shows. Like,
At
stop.
all. He's going to be unemployed. What is going to happen
He
to
should
BJP's
actually-
propaganda, main propaganda artist?
But do you think he would have called up, who all had appeared on his podcast?
Oh,
MEA? Piyush Goyal?
Piyush Goyal.
You think he would have called them and said, sir, help? They
of
wouldn't have taken
course
his call.
he would. How he cried. I saw one video
I
where
don't
That's
know.
an
He
old
would have
one.
called maybe
he would have
other,
called.
not the cabinet ministers. Maybe he would
No,
have called like the Godi GVs that he was friends with. कि आगे क्या करें?
Right. Then in good news, I don't know why we call him influencer. In good news, this freak of nature, Elvish Yadav, was summoned for making racist remarks against fellow Big Boss contestant Shum Darang.
Yeah. In bad news, it was by the National Commission of Women, which is might as well be disbanded. Like this podcast, even they should be disbanded for
We are
sure.
not being disbanded.
We are not being, but they
But,
should.
Yeah, and National Commission of Women, who, by the way, had even summoned the protagonist of this
Yeah.
controversy, no
Yeah.
one showed up. And that is because they have covered themselves in glory over the last few years by appearing so non-partisan.
And doing things like naming, if you been raped, they name the survivor. Lots of things they do.
Meanwhile, in good news,
Aha.
Deepika Padukone returned to screens this week.
My God.
But
you're
in bad
blushing.
news, it was starring beside Mr. Narendra Modi in Narendra Modi's Pariksha Pe Charcha as a mental health advocate.
Well, see, that's the thing. It's people like her who can reach across the aisle and bring people together. She can even bring Narendra Modi and the lefty liberals together. That's
No
a
one, only you
she
are
should-
the only lefty liberal who has been brought together.
Aren't all of you? Would you not attend a Pariksha Pe Charcha and listen to Mr. Modi if it meant that you could also listen to Deepika Padukone? I think she should get
Definitely.
Nobel Peace Prize.
She might just get Nobel
I
Peace
think.
Prize.
I'm just saying. So, on
Yes.
that note, ladies, you have some interesting stuff to review, but we have a project that is almost topped up called the Hindu Sena Project. We'll be sending about 4 reporters and 3 producers to at least 4 states, maybe more. Here's a QR code. Please contribute. You guys have contributed to our Delhi election. And thank you for supporting our reportage on the Delhi Stampede. It was, last minute. Anmol had to rush there. The reason we can do stuff like this so quickly, and we got a lot of very kind words about how that was important reportage, and we were there on the spot. The only reason we can do that is because you guys contribute. So here's a QR code. Please contribute so our journalism stays alive. So ladies, I have not watched anything. I'm owning up first only. Do not shout at me.
This is so shocking.
Rajshri has watched everything. I haven't
Rajyasree has watched
Mrs.
everything, which is so shocking also. Shocking all
I haven't
over.
watched Mrs. But I have of course watched The Great Indian Kitchen.
Yeah. So I've watched. I am just seeing what this film has been nominated for. So first of all, I watched Anuja,
Mhm.
which is the documentary. It's a short documentary nominated. It's been nominated for the Oscar short film.
Best short film, yeah.
Yeah. And
Backed by Guneet Monga and Priyanka. no?
Guneet
Yeah.
Monga and Priyanka Chopra, and it's already won a whole bunch of awards. It's 23 minutes long. It's on Netflix, and I would strongly recommend that everyone watches it. I
Yeah?
thought it would be very depressing, so I had put off watching it for a while.
Mhm.
But it basically is set in Delhi. It's about this young girl, and the casting is fabulous because they look the part, they act so well. So it's this young girl called Anuja. She's 9 years old. She works with her older sister in a garment factory
Hmm.
in Delhi, and it looks like one of those. It looks like whatever not Paharganj, Mayur Vihar, Patparganj, that kind of. It's a congested place where they go, and there are all these women stitching. And she's the youngest. There is no other child of her age over there, and her sister and she clearly. So they work from morning to night
Mhm.
to evening. Nobody mistreats them or anything, but they live together. Their parents are not there. Their parents are dead. You come to know that. But she is one of those children who is very gifted and very intelligent. And there's a man who clearly works in education and with schools who comes to meet the person who runs the garment factory and tells him, you have to let her come on Tuesday to take this exam. If she clears, I've got her a seat at this exam and 400 rupees needs to be paid. But she will get a scholarship to go to boarding school.
Okay.
And this little girl is a little torn about it because so the entire thing is about her interactions with her older sister who works in this garment factory. And she's a little torn about that. I'll go and I'll like what will
Leave my
happen to my
sister.
sister. And the sister, like it's very positive.
How
No-
long is it?
23 minutes.
Hmm.
And it ends on like you don't know what's going to happen, but the acting, that uncertainty of their lives, the joy
It's a
that they
documentary,
get.
right?
No,
Short film.
short film.
Okay.
And the joy that you get from small things, and which is what's nice to see, that this little girl they are on the poverty line pretty much, but the little joys and little pleasures that they get, and it's been done. They were cast from the Salam Balak Trust
Oh,
students,
nice,
and
okay.
it's which is a great organization to support. But they were cast from there, and it's just a very, very well-made, sweet little
And it's been
film.
nominated for the Oscars.
For the Oscars, and
Ooh,
hopefully
it'll win.
and I have to say, I was watching the BAFTAs, and it's very, it's just nice to see in the main nominations. I think it was for Best Film, Sister Midnight with Radhika Apte and Santosh with this one, Shahana Goswami.
Hmm.
So to see them along with, like the clips had them.
I really
as
want to
a-
see the
Sister Midnight.
Sister Midnight.
It's
Yeah.
going to come on
It's gonna
movie
come.
or one
Yeah,
of
I've
them.
heard a bit
She
about
said,
it.
Was this a Seagram's film?
No, this was just out of my heart. See, Seagram's gives me the energy and vigor to do things which I feel strongly
What are
for.
you
But
having? Seagrams while what's the
we
joke?
get
The joke
Seagram's
is that
are
usually
short film.
every few months, Seagram's has, I don't know, Seagram's 100
I thought you were
Pipers.
drinking Seagrams.
There's
I
a
was
property
too.
named after it that they do a short film every now and then. And
Which
we've
has
reviewed
Kajol and all in it.
we've reviewed
Kajol.
4 or 5 Seagram's 100 Piper short films. They are also shit. I cannot
I had
tell
no
you.
idea 100 Piper and Seagrams are financing.
Sorry, maybe it's not 100 Pipers. maybe
Royal
it's
Stag.
Whatever it
Royal
is, fucking.
Stag. It's Royal
It is
Stag.
one of these. And every few months, I'll get a email that we have to review this, and I'll click on the link, and it'll be a Seagram's Royal Stag short film.
Because it has
which will be-
Nasiruddin, it has Kajol,
They don't have one or
Jackie
two had.
Shroff.
Otherwise, it's just
I've
shit.
given you all good ones.
Anyway.
Good cast, storyline is a bit.
So yes. So tell me about the other films that you're going to talk
Why
about.
don't you read a email?
An email, Rajshi Sen. And I hope last time you went back and saw, you said Netflix and not Netflix.
No. And everyone said that, oh, Abhinandan's correcting her. I hope you saw that
Okay.
in the
Netflix.
mails. I don't, why will I say Netflix?
It is there. You can go
letters
back.
you guys have got.
We have lots of letters.
So, Car Junkie says, have finally decided to use the drool-worthy NL 13th birthday discount. Opportunity to be a subscriber. Have been long listening to your podcast. I just want to declare to the world that Rajshi Sen is a legend.
Oh,
That's why I'm going to
oh
read
my
it.
God.
I'm just saying.
Love the banter of you both. Abhinandan, like how you watch mostly very little of the shows you're supposed to review and still don't let Rajshi speak her observations. Jokes apart, you both are a vibe. Yours the only podcast where I feel any guest should not be invited as they will kill the vibe. Thank you, Car
Sorry,
Junkie.
Manisha.
How you calculated, Chudail? Really, yeah. So first of all, a lot of people are writing that be nice to Rajshi.
Yes.
But only
Don't
one
interrupt her.
Not just
Yeah.
that. They're saying
Don't
I'm
interrupt her expertise with your opinion.
I mean to her, etc.
Yeah.
But one person is very clever. Clearly, that lady, I'll read her email later, says that, but I know off camera, Rajshi will be nastier than I will ever beat you. And Rajshi, that lady is a genius. Because
I'm not.
if it is captured on camera, all that you say when the camera is not rolling, you'll be cancelled. You'll be Ranveer Alabadia ki maa ki maa.
Vulgarity in your mind.
Not just that, we're kind of like at a
No
restaurant
morals.
within earshot of other guests and the server, the kind of things she said, and I get pissed off. If I would recount those things,
No one
people will
believe on
boycott you.
Believe ही नहीं करेगा आपको.
Okay. So, what are you telling me about ladies?
So there
Ladies
was
name, Mrs.
Mrs. There was a film called The Great Indian Kitchen, which is a Malayalam film.
I reviewed it also.
Spectacular film.
Yeah.
Absolutely lovely. You'll not want to eat food for a long time after
really,
watching
I felt
it.
like vomiting.
Because long shots of the film involve the woman just cooking
and then
and then having bad sex at night.
yeah,
with the husband
and then
just gonna
having to clean
And then having to clean.
Yeah,
so
This is the
basically,
great
I don't have
Indian
any
kitchen.
bad sex in that film.
of course.
Of course there is. Typical men
See,
don't
men
remember
to
these
that
things.
won't register only, na?
Women-
You emotionally thought it was good sex. That is bad sex,
That-
actually. That's why you don't. You
No.
have just proven our
Yeah,
point
you
over
proved
here.
the point of the movie also that
Oh,
this
that's
went
why
over the man's
even
head.
in
Then-
Mrs. people have said, why is she complaining?
But also the shots of the men eating the drumstick
Yeah,
and
I
then putting
remember
on the
that. I remember
table.
those
Chewing
scenes.
and this
I
thing.
remember
But
the
geniusly done.
the,
It's really the
cleaning of the-
mundaneness of her cleaning that
life.
and the the other. But I don't remember any
Yeah,
sex
yeah.
scenes in that film.
There was.
There are.
And
They're
it's
not
like that
explicit,
very
but it just shows,
robotic
like, how
kind
terrible
of.
it is for
Yeah.
them.
Okay.
Like there's just nothing in it.
So they've remade the film with set in Delhi with Sanya Malhotra is acting in the film and that actor who I really like. Oh
You
my
haven't
God.
come prepared. At least
Shocking.
prepare before
No,
we
it's
start.
shocking. Tell me his name. The father-in-law.
How do we know
God.
you?
Arey, you don't know who the father-in-law
I don't
is.
believe this.
Kanwaljit Singh. Kanwaljit.
That's not the father-in-law. That's
Yeah,
the
yeah.
husband.
No, no.
Oh,
I
Kanwaljit Singh
Kanwaljit Singh. He's like 72 years old. How can he be a
He's a
husband?
very good actor.
Yeah.
Very
So anyway, the film is set in Delhi. There's been a lot of discourse on it online and so on. That part of the discourse is how can they show Delhiites, like this North Indian people and especially
But what-
men are so loving, as we know, that why are they showing? And this is a vendetta against North India, which it's not. They show this young woman, Sania Malhotra, who is she's
So it's
quite
like a frame to
modern.
frame remake or
no. So they
Because there's a reality TV angle which is not there.
No, not a reality TV. Those are videos. She's a dancer, and her marriage gets fixed with this chap, Nishan Dahiya, who is very nice looking. He's a gynecologist. He's a young chap, and she clearly finds him quite nice also. And his parents come, like it's a proper arranged marriage. What happens, and then she goes to the family to that house, and she realizes her mother-in-law is being quite sweet and says, "Oh, you sleep, I'll do the work and all." But she does notice that her mother-in-law is cooking till like midnight, cleaning the kitchen and all, then going to sleep again in the morning. 4:30 in the morning, you get up, start everything. Because when Kanwaljit wakes up, these are like small things. He's never rude. He's never mean.
which was the case in the
Yeah,
original
the
also.
husband
Yeah.
also
He's
is
always
not. He's
very, like
yeah.
decent. That's
yeah,
what his
and he says you're like my daughter and all, but like he'll wake up in the morning when he gets out of bed, his shoes are kept by his wife. Everything is perfectly
I remember
done.
that.
They have food first, the men. The women have food later. And she says, like Sania says, why don't we sit down and have breakfast together? And they look at her quite aghast, but like, why would you do something? But then the mother-in-law leaves to go and look after the daughter, her daughter, who's pregnant.
And then she has to take over.
And everything is on this woman's head. And it is like it's unbearable to watch. Absolutely. Because again, no one's rude to her. But
But it's the same premise, like just
Yeah,
cooking, cleaning,
it's
cooking,
cooking,
all that.
cleaning, cooking. And when she tells her husband that she wants to be a part-time dance teacher. They say, why? You don't need the money. Why would you do? And anyway, people in our family don't.
You haven't
work.
seen the original.
I've
She's
seen
in the
Oh,
original.
you haven't
Yeah.
seen this
I
one.
haven't
Yeah.
seen this one.
Okay.
But this is so well made, keeping in mind the way North India works and like the small things. They get a part-timer comes in. So when she gets a period, suddenly the husband says, oh, no, you should rest and all. Don't. So she said, who'll make breakfast? So he says, I'll organize everything.
Because he doesn't
So
want her to
she
get in the kitchen.
thinks first that it's out of concern that she's might be feeling unwell.
You should enter
Because
the kitchen.
it's not, and then when
Oh,
they
like
get a
that.
part-timer, this clearly the same part-timer comes very often to the house. So she tells the part-timer, why don't you, isn't there any cook or someone you can get for us full-time? So she says, no, but they do a lot of chick and they also have this, they don't want someone from a lower caste to cook for them. And that's something which I have to say
So
when I
this is
came.
an element that wasn't there in the
Yeah.
original.
So I
Right.
wanted to say when I came to Delhi and I started working here and we all the colleagues used to sit down and eat together and all. And these are all working girls and boys, right? And they would say it without any like not realizing that, oh, today I've had to now order in food because mom's gone home. So I was also thinking, I couldn't imagine my mother getting up every day and cooking lunch and packing because I was thinking, when is she getting up and cooking and this thing?
Shocking.
So yeah, that's why my life has been quite deprived. But no, and then I realized that the reason why, my father won't eat food unless it's cooked by my mother
Yeah,
and
they
all.
don't have cooks because the mother is cooking all the time.
One is mother is cooking and will not get a cook. I said, why don't you get a cook? No, my father only likes my mother's cooking. But then I realized, no, your father only likes your mother's cooking because she's from the same caste as him. And the cook
Right.
will be from a lower
We
caste.
should not
no?
be too judgmental of people who don't cook.
I-
Anyway, so because that is also going the other extreme.
This is true also. This is
Since
correct.
you don't cook at all.
I can make an egg.
Yeah.
I
But
can
then
make three.
365
But I
days.
think in the Great Indian Kitchen, she's not this ambitious person. It's just a terrible situation for her because it's terrible. It's not because she has ambition or she wants to be a dancer or whatever. It's just not what marriage should be. So I think they don't give an excuse for why
so
it's
over
terrible.
Yeah, I think that
also
was what
she's-
was unique about that
Which is what I
film.
really like. That
was
it's
that
just
the- yeah, there
terrible
was-
for anyone to be
It
in
was
that
so mundane. The
Yeah.
mundaneness of it was
The
torture.
oppressive
Exactly.
aspect.
But I don't, over here, she's not shown as supremely ambitious. She's just saying, I want to go for 1 hour and I want to do something. And I've
Yeah.
done everything. Like one day she gets up at 4 a.m. and she finishes all the work by 8:30. And at 9, she's getting ready, or 9:30, she's getting ready to go for an interview. And her father came and she said, where are you going? So she said, I'm going for an interview. And he said, but I thought I said that you can't go. So you can't go. And you realize the way he's saying it very sweetly, but it's like being in jail.
Yeah.
And that whole thing about sex with her husband, which she tells him, she said, do you not understand anything about foreplay or anything? And the immediate retort is, oh, you're really experienced. That
So
means,
this is in this film.
yeah. So
I must say, but this Sanya Malhotra is a very talented actor, but
Yeah.
she's a very good dancer also.
She's a very good dancer.
Yeah.
she's not. I mean, maybe she's very young, but she hasn't reached the scale I thought she has the potential of reaching.
She's
I mean,
young.
Yeah,
I
she's
don't
young, but
think
I
she's
think
got that much
she also,
opportunity
some-
also.
but she accepts a lot of roles which are not the lead role, right? So maybe that's why I don't know. But
So which one's better, Mrs. or Great Indian
So
Kitchen?
I like both actually.
They're both at par.
Yeah.
you'll just wait for the Bengali remake. It'll be the best.
No, because we
Bengal
don't,
mein women ke
Bengal
saath aisa
can't,
nahi
we don't
hota,
do
you can
that.
say.
Na? We'll say you cook your own food and be
Come on.
self-sufficient.
Women
While we are
cooking
also,
piss all day
and
long.
also Kawaljit Singh tells her, your mother-in-law also has a PhD. That doesn't mean she has to work. So he's like,
Right.
okay. So it's very well tuned to the community and space it's representing, which is
But
what
I
I
won't
like.
watch it because Great Indian Kitchen made me really angry. for a
This
very
made
long
me
time.
very
Right, now,
angry.
Before we speak about the White Challenge,
White Lotus.
White Lotus,
Which you've also seen.
Yes.
let's talk about the controversy in the pop culture space that has
Yeah,
made
raging
pop
controversy.
culture
Raging.
front page news. The top headlines for 2 days
Hmm.
was
Yeah.
pop culture things. Context is this guy called Beer Biceps, who we
This
have
guy called Ranveer Elabadia.
Elabadia, who we have kind of
made
really
fun of.
made fun of big time.
You can claim that we were the first ones to suggest he should change his name to Prayag Rajya.
No, apparently that
Nahin?
has
Aye,
that
an
joke
old
has
joke.
happened on Twitter, etc.
Y'all are
before we
also
came
like
up
beer
with-
biceps.
We shouldn't be like
But-
Sagrika.
Y'all are like beer
think
biceps.
Sagrika
Huh?
goes
He
to
also
the-
cracked a old joke and
Ah.
got screwed.
No, but basically, Beer Biceps said something on a show which is also Samarena.
Yeah.
I keep
Samay
saying
Raina.
Samay Raina's
Samay
shows,
Raina's show,
India's Got
India's Got
Latent.
Latent. All these were, discoveries for me. I personally have said in the past, especially, during the Kunal Kamra's controversy, the Charlie Hebdo thing when it happened when News Laundry had just
The
started,
NAIB.
that the time to critique something's aesthetics
Hmm.
is not when you have to stand up for their freedom of speech.
Hmm.
Like a lot of people started critiquing Charlie Hebdo's aesthetics.
Yeah.
Just after those 10 guys had been
Hmm.
killed, I was like, because some of their cartoons are horrible. They were
Yeah.
just being horrible.
Also crass. They were
But
very
but
crass.
not but that is, I mean, right now the
Hmm.
Yeah, they've been killed. There's no
yeah.
time to
So
discuss.
I think so now that the initial thing is over and we did stand up for their freedom of speech, and I think we should.
Hmm.
Now let's come to
The
Right.
aesthetics.
what
There
the
is-
and just the comedy scene in general. So Manisha, you consumed a lot of this digital comedy scene while researching for this story.
Yeah, for
And on your
nuisance
show-
actually I did.
So what is this? Because these are revelations to me. I don't even.
So actually, like you, I had no idea what India's Got Latent is, which is hugely, insanely popular. Even
Yeah.
among my friends, I was surprised. Some of my friends were like, we love watching it. And it's just really mindless, senseless stuff. But it's great fun to watch. These guys were getting 1 crore in viewership within 24 hours. They were making a lot of money. The format is like Kill Tony. It's supposed to be contestants and judges. The contestants have a talent and they come and perform, and you're supposed to be rating
They
them.
have a talent like dance, like
they could
singing.
dance, they could mimic. One of them,
Like it's not limited
anything.
to.
Okay.
And then there are these judges. Judges are usually one celebrity or two celebrities along with comics. So the celebrity here was Alabadia, who's not a comic, but he was invited here as an influencer. Raki Sawant has been on the show. I think Kunal Kamra has also been on the show. Tanmay, all these guys. And the format is that you crack jokes at the contestants, and the contestants can also roast you. So it's like a Let's see who can say worse
Yeah.
things to each other, kind of thing. And there are a lot of laughs, and
And the
usually,
production value isn't great. It's like one
Yeah.
desk of
but
people
for him
sitting
to
and
have
people
cracked
just-
this independently on YouTube and to have been making the money that he did, and if you just go through his Instagram, page, they were like the toast of town. Everyone from on Amitabh
Yeah.
Bachchan's show.
He was on KBC with
Amazon,
Tanmay and all.
he's on Amazon promote. So he was really like this big influencer commanding a lot of viewership, and all the brands were running to him for, to promote their stuff. I personally thought that a lot of the jokes are just there's a format to it. One is abusive stuff. So you just abuse, and it's kind of funny, I guess, to watch, men abuse. Then there's sex.
Really?
I mean,
Basically,
men
you can-
find
Here the opposite happens. Each time I curse, we get 10 mails saying, please, Abhinandan, watch your language.
like a bunch of college
setting is
kids who
important.
come together, and it's funny to just. Then a lot of jokes about sex, girlfriend jokes, wife, jokes that traditional, whatever. A lot of like sexual imagery.
It's not the most intelligent of humor, but I
Yeah.
don't think they're even trying to do that.
Some of it I thought was clever or different in the sense that now all the shows are off, so you can't watch it, but I saw some clips, whatever clips are there on Insta. Like there's this person on a wheelchair who comes with his dog, and the talent is the dog who can do math problems. So they'll say like 9 minus 6, he'll move 3 times or whatever. And they'll be like, what do you call yourself? How would you describe yourself? He said, I'm disabled. So he's like, हम क्या आपको बुलाएं? सर आप भी मुझे disabled बुलाओ. So now there's this sort of
Push back to political correctness.
exactly. Then there's another contestant who either has a squint or is blind. I'm not sure. But he's telling the judges that यार मुझे रेट करने से पहले मेरी आंखों में देख के एक बार रेट कर लेना. And then he says, मजाक कर रहा हूँ, तुम लोग को बहुत डर लगेगा और नींद नहीं आएगी बहुत दिनों तक, मत देखना. So he's cracking a joke on his own self, and you're kind of breaking that barrier of looking at tragedy as just tragedy,
Right.
which I think
Was new and
was
interesting.
new, interesting. Samay himself, I think he's just 26, 27. He has something in him which makes him very watchable. There's a sort of ease to his humor. He's very kind of, no filter guy.
Also, he doesn't
But
take
it's-
himself seriously.
Seriously, yeah.
That comes through.
And there are
Throughout.
flashes of, he could do dark comedy really well, but clearly what he was doing, I don't think it qualifies as dark comedy, especially as someone who loves dark comedy. One of my favorite books is by this guy called Andy Riley, who's a British comic, and he's written Veep. He's a creator,
Yeah.
and Veep is a fabulous.
Oof,
if
it's
you
one
like
of the best
Succession, you
shows.
will love Veep.
Yeah.
It's like
It is
nasty people
just
being nasty to each other.
fabulous.
The book is called The Book of Bunny Suicides, which is just one page after the other, a very cute bunny trying to kill himself and failing at it. So, and he got a lot of pushback for it. It got banned in schools, and mental health advocates said it's very makes fun of suicide or whatever. But I love it, and I gifted to another friend, and we enjoy cracking jokes on death and all that. And I think that's what dark humor is supposed to do. You
But
kind
in
of
his case, it was a bit.
Yeah.
I mean, I've seen one clip of his where he's making fun and may not be typical of the stuff. And the bit that I've seen of him post this controversy is crap. It's fucking shit. I mean, and this one, there was this story that went viral a few years ago about this baby that was born with a very rare disease, and each injection, which was in an experimental phase, costs about a crore and a half or something. And the parents had crowdsourced that and crowdfunded it, and they got the money over a crore to buy that injection for the child. And he was, his thing was that, do you think mother would have thought that, dude, 2-month-old child, let's just keep the money, let the kid die. Now, I think when you fictionalize something and make fun of it, dark comedy works. But when you take an actual, like if someone made a joke about that Syrian child who was washed up on the shore, I don't think it would be funny. You could fictionalize a dark situation, but I personally feel, it has to be so fucking clever.
Yeah.
Like some
I
people
think
do it. It
that
has
has
to be
quality
there has to be
missing.
some brilliance to it rather than just say, oh fuck, oh he's dead, oh ha,
Yeah.
he's blind, oh ha. Yeah, like, so I just saw their shit and it is crap. But again, the thing is that that's the audience, right? The whole, I mean, there's good and bad of filters going off, there being no gatekeepers.
Huh.
There's no commissioning editor
Yeah.
who says that do this. YouTube allows you to do that. And that is also why you have so much of hate coming up, because a lot of people are hateful losers. I mean, if winning wasn't rare, it would not be valuable, right? What is anti-intellectualism? It is celebrating stupidity because most people are stupid. And they, Trump is an outcome of that. This Argentine guy president who just did a tweet about a meme coin which has crashed. Now he's saying sorry, had nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
What are they going for? That's what YouTube does, and that's what I guess. That's what gives you whatever, Raina. What do you think of the show?
No. So I just feel
You're
that
a fan.
they are.
Don't tell lies.
I love Samay Raina.
If it was a
I
Bengali
love
show,
Ranveer Alabadia.
if it was a Bengali show, be honest.
No, we don't have this kind of
Same
humor.
thing in Bengali. You wouldn't have said it's the best show in the world.
No. I just feel
Lying.
they are catering to the lowest common denominator. There is not much thought that goes into pretty much anything they say or do. But this outrage over what has been said is, to me, quite ridiculous, going by the kind of shit that is said or shown in cinema, in main commercial cinema and all. I just find the brouhaha about this and the way it's snowballed just ridiculous. That is the thing there's worse things are being said on all
I
these
think the
shows.
Supreme
Also
Court's
the-
observations
And
are
the
a bit over the
Supreme
top.
Court.
Also, this show you pay for.
Yeah, you don't want
It's
to
a paywall.
watch something.
Like you can
don't
pay for
watch
so
it,
much and
yeah?
get so much shit on the internet. This is the least of worrying things you can pay for on the internet.
And
yeah.
this other thing of like we are in school and children,
Yeah.
they should apologize. Arey, I don't want to apologize. Got it? You say sorry, then it will be okay. No, it's a show. I said it. Now, it is a stupid thing to say. Maybe, first of all, it's not even original, but poor thing.
Yeah.
He's not the first person to repeat it. Kanan Gill had repeated it on another show
Yeah.
before. Now, that time, YouTube maybe wasn't that big, so it didn't get
Also,
repeated.
parents and sex and walking into parents having that kind of stuff is very old, right? It's not.
Yeah,
It's
and
not the most shocking of.
But
Like, I guess the joining in one really shocked people, but the rest of it, it's a very.
I mean, I
old
don't
trope.
know. We are in 2025.
yeah.
Way worse jokes about incest used to be cracked in boys' hostels where I
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
when I was 7, 8, because when I was in class 3, the ground floor dormitory was class 3 boys and the first floor dormitory was class 6 boys. So the class 6 boys knew what fuck is, masturbation is. So you get to know everything. And there were far more hideous jokes about mothers and sisters and fathers
Yeah.
that used to be cracked. I don't understand why this is funny in 2025. I don't get it. Like,
That
But
also,
but I think that's the US. That's why people like this show also, because you can get that boarding school feel out of this. Like
also when
bunch
you
of men
see
just
him,
talking without like.
Also, when
feeling
Ranveer is
like they
saying, making the cracking the joke, he's so stupid,
pleased
yeah.
with himself, like a fool.
He's
And that
so
is-
stupid, and his
like, yeah.
face is stupid. But that doesn't mean that you no. He does. When you're talking to him, how he looks at you?
you guys
He's
are
like,
being very mean. Ranveer,
no.
I'm on your side.
Huh?
Ranveer, I'm on your side. They're going too far. He's stupid. His face is stupid.
But
His jokes
But
are
that
stupid.
doesn't mean you. I will not file a case against him for that.
But-
no?
But stupidity is a very underrated vice. Stupid people are very dangerous. And
Yeah,
I think
that's
Ranveer
true.
was very dangerous with what he was doing on his
No,
own show. Also,
I think
promoting
that
absolute
was-
nonsense.
if people had to go to Pakistan, who would you send to Pakistan? Yeah, he was. But he's
ass.
like, you're right. Stupid people don't realize the damage they can do. But I liked most out of the outcome of this is this comedian Gaurav Kapoor, who I
He's
really
excellent.
liked. This act of his.
रणवीर जो भाई है रणवीर भाई 12 बजे कंट्रोवर्सी हुई 2 बजे अपॉलॉजी दे दी 2 घंटे में इतनी जल्दी तो मैं अपने पापा को सॉरी नहीं बोलता भाई ये प्रॉब्लम है पता है मुंबई वालों की प्रॉब्लम है ये शरीफ होते हैं ये लोग इनको गलती मान लेते हैं होगी गलती मान ली दिल्ली वाला अगर कोई होता ना मैंने करा ही नहीं हनी सिंह दिल्ली का है एक बार भी नहीं माना सबको पता है वो गाना किसने गाया है कभी नहीं मानता जब पूछ लो आपने गाना गाया उसका मैंने गाया ही नहीं है आप साबित कर दो मैंने नहीं करा कर दो उससे इंटरव्यू पूछा सच बता दो हनी आवाज तो आप ही की थी मैं आपकी आवाज बना देता हूँ बताओ
He's really funny.
So
I quite like
He's very funny.
Now
His-
on this, I think he's so right.
Yeah.
Because if it was a Delhi wala, मैं नहीं बोलता.
Huh?
क्या क्यों बोलूं?
Prove it.
Proof.
Like Honey Singh, actually Honey Singh, all his interviews like मैंने गाया ही नहीं है वो.
What
मैंने गाया ही
is the
नहीं वो
song?
गाना.
So which is the song?
How
It's a
do I
very
know?
horrible song. I'll
I don't
tell you
know.
what this
Song.
is. It's a
I listen
very
to
bad
good
song.
Punjabi music. I don't listen to Honey Singh. That's not good
Please,
Punjabi
you are
music.
the person who discovered Honey Singh.
But that is when he used to make good stuff in partnership with Diljit Dosanjh and all those guys.
But this song is pre that also. So
Oh,
it's
I
a
don't
very
know.
bad song. I'll tell you about
but
it.
he does keep.
It's clearly
saying,
his voice, but he keeps
मैंने
saying
नहीं
मैंने
किया.
गाया.
No, but Gaurav Kapoor is very good, and I would say watch his.
But because Beer
this thing.
Biceps' entire thing was this sanskari boy who would
Yeah,
call.
he's a good boy.
You know, so he said, sorry, मैंने बहुत अपना वो करा, मैंने अपना
But I
responsibility.
do think that I think it's a bit of a
How
stretch.
old
I mean,
is he? Let me see.
And ek to, you must be feeling so bad when your own lawyers starting argument is, I'm personally disgusted. I'm paraphrasing, but his own lawyers starting argument is, I personally am disgusted by what my client has said. And
But still.
Yeah. legally,
Chandrachud,
Yeah.
that's what he said.
yeah. This is,
He said
so,
that.
can you imagine?
He's also saying sorry.
Basically, this is like that. I've quoted this in Hafta earlier. In the early days of television news, there was this, the big fight, that format of NDTV. This is when I think Rajdeep used to host it. There was this sting operation that was done of Shakti Kapoor and all these guys. You remember?
Oh, yeah.
So that time there was Shobha Day. There was, I think, Mahesh Bhatt. There was Shakti Kapoor, and there were these people who were.
Nasir Abdullah had not been brought out of the dungeon. Times Now dungeon. He lives in the Times Now dungeon.
Times Now Times Now.
आप आ जाओ आज कुछ हो गया है. Then he comes out.
So at that time, and Shakti Kapoor was trying to defend himself, and everyone was like laughing at him. He had that sting operation that Aman Chopra sting operation.
Yeah.
So in that, Shobha Day says that now she was going at the sting operation, that it was wrong to do. She says, they're doing it to who? Shakti Kapoor. Aman Chopra. If you can do it to, I mean, she didn't mention who, but you can tell, you could tell by her suggestions, the big directors who are making these big blockbusters. She was talking about the bigger well-known names. So how come you're catching sidees like Shakti Kapoor? These sidees who no one even cares about? That is what you're saying. I don't know, Shakti Kapoor is looking at her perplexed like, is she on my side? Is she on their side? What fucking side is she on?
It's like that only.
It's like fucking, this is Ranveer Awadiyat. But I have to defend him. Chi ganda. Poor guy.
He's quite young also. He's 31 only.
Ranbir, oh God. So
But
that
when
is,
I was 31, I was
But
more
I think-
mature.
I
I'm just
mean,
saying.
what he said, he basically repeated a joke from this OG Crew Australian channel thing. But per se, is it that disgusting?
No, I feel that
It's stupid.
also if you see
But what is
Golmaal, and not Golmaal.
What is disgusting?
Oh.
I mean, there's way more disgusting things. It's just, I guess, culturally now, this thing, anything to do with parents, like that interview of that lawyer, remember that lawyer?
ML Sharma.
ML Sharma,
हाँ.
when he had said, हमारे यहाँ कोई माँ की गाली देता है, उसको तोड़ दिया जाता है. The way he
It's
said
like
it.
that.
This clip.
आप माँ को गाली देंगे ना तो आपको वहीं तोड़ दिया जाएगा. हमारे यहाँ माँ के विरुद्ध कोई लड़का और कोई पुरुष सुनने को तैयार नहीं.
हालांकि आप सड़क पे उस दिन मेरा लग गया था, ठुक गया था आगे की गाड़ी से, उतर के उसने जो गाली दी उसमें माँ शब्द ही था.
आपने उसको क्यों नहीं तोड़ा?
Now, he was genuinely outraged that if someone called me whatever mother X or बहन X, it doesn't fucking bother me. He says, फिर आप इंडिया के तो है नहीं, आपकी culture, if it doesn't enrage you enough to kill someone if they're cursing your mother, I was like, fuck.
No, so this is the same mentality, and
I think Ranveer made the joke sound disgusting because of his stupid delivery, his stupidity.
He's so
'Cause there's no-
silly.
Ranveer, I'm on your side.
He looks so
they're doing a Shakti
amused by
Kapoor.
what he's saying. Like, why are
Because
you
like
laughing?
we were discussing before the show, like Ricky Gervais and all, they have cracked these jokes. Which
They've cracked
I am
worse things,
personally
they
not
say.
find very but there's a cultural context, there's a delivery, there's a setup, there's something to say. Here he's just saying it to sound cool.
Yeah.
And it just seems
Even if you
so
see
dumb.
Little Britain and all, where they've been made to apologize, but they are back to doing the same jokes and all. It is really, like, if you're sensitive, you'll feel very bad when you watch Little Britain, but it's not meant for, like, oversensitive people. And this whole thing of, I'm just saying, films with that Tushar Kapoor and Akshay and all, where Tushar is playing a deaf mute,
Yeah.
and then he's falling on some woman's breasts and groping them. How is that not worse? Because that is commercial cinema being consumed by everyone who can pay, even not pay. You can illegally watch that. This is a stupid YouTube show, which God knows, of course, they have a very large number of viewers, but then you should outrage over big
It's the
things like that.
yeah, even I think, and also there was an old same joke was cracked by Kanan Gill.
That's what.
Yeah.
So I think it's what as Gaurav Kapoor said, तूने माफी मांगी ना तभी snowball हुआ नहीं तो कुछ नहीं होता.
That
But
and in 2 hours he had a point. In 2 hours, why are you?
But I think Samay, because he's young, and I do think that he has somewhat of a spark, can come out of this.
this
Smarter,
boy will
wiser.
also come
Smarter,
out.
wiser, maybe work more on the craft of comedy. And actually do dark comedy.
yeah, but I
He's
think
just doing
no, but
a bit shock comedy.
no,
Like
but
he
that
just shock
depends
people.
on what you're doing it for. You
Yeah,
see,
if money and hits is
if
your
it's
thing.
yeah, if
then-
money and hits your thing, you will not like. For example, most comics who I consume and I appreciate and satirists, that from Gujarat who we've had on our Media Rumble also.
Sampath.
They
Sampath
come
Sharma.
from a very thought through
Yeah.
political or social perspective. It is not let's see what gets hits. Ha ha ha.
Huh.
Ye chutiya. Ha ha ha. If you ask them, like, what is the point you're making?
Yeah.
There is no point. It is just let me maro chutkula. Like that. Again, he looks very young. That Sikh boy who's on that, who said 100% literacy. I'm like, what's the joke?
Yeah, I couldn't understand what the joke was.
You're basically saying
Where is this
Just the
people?
accent. I guess it's
Kerala has 100% literacy,
Huh.
and you are saying that in a Malayali accent to a Malayali. So there, like, I don't get what is the
There's
point.
nothing. There's no punchline, no joke,
So-
nothing.
But the
It's
thing
just-
is, but the thing is that
they're
is
just like bunch of college kids.
They
who
are like
just-
a bunch of fools.
if comedy is a craft,
Yeah.
this is not that. This is not the boutique. This is the, just go to the garbage dump and pick up kilo ko hisab se what you want and sell it. Now, that is what is rewarded in the social media age. There's no incentive to hone your craft. There is no incentive to hone your craft. Like
True.
someone like
And you're making crores out of it. Why
and
would
someone
you?
like Kunal. Kunal has such fantastic thought through comedy. He cannot perform at one auditorium in Delhi. No one will give him an auditorium to perform. This thing will cancel. But aisi taisi democracy. What is the incentive to hone your craft? There is no incentive. The incentive is the other way around. The incentive is don't have a point, political, social, nothing. Have no perspective. Just say something outrageous. And
Yeah,
that's
shock.
that.
Shock can get laughs. And yeah.
It's the way these films and all are made, or Johnny Lever kind of humor, which is very classy in comparison. If Johnny Lever's humor is seeming classy in comparison to this chap's Ranveer and all, but I don't think Ranveer's career will be over. He will be back.
No, I
in
think
a
for
year.
him it'll be way more difficult because his whole USP is just getting important
He'll
people
run
I
for
agree. I-
and nodding at them. Now no one, and
Yeah.
this is also how fickle the industry is. You had cabinet ministers sitting with you. You had the prime minister giving you an award. You had people like Smita Prakash, propping him up as this new age, I don't know, journalistic phenomena or whatever. Now everyone's dropped him. And no one's going to want to be seen with him. So Bollywood,
So
forget
he's
it.
done.
I mean, the fact that he could interview Kareena Kapoor, that was his USP. Kareena's not going to sit next to him now after
Now
this.
he'll
So it's also
become-
how fickle Bombay is.
yeah.
And
But
this
now
whole
he'll run for
content
elections
entertainment industry is.
with Kangna. Now he'll run for
Election Kangna. Okay. So now before we come to the White Lotus, a couple of emails. By the way, we only entertain the feedback and emails of subscribers. So if you're a subscriber, you can write to us at podcasts@newslearn.com. I repeat, podcasts@newslearn.com. In the subject line, please write ANA. Or you can click on the link in the show notes below. It'll open out the window and you can give your feedback. And if you're not a subscriber, you can scan this QR code, keep journalism alive, and also tell us how good or bad we are. Hi, Bharat and Rajshri. Hope you both are doing well. Sorry, corporate ingrained habit of starting an email. I recently discovered your podcast when my husband played it while having dinner one of these days. Since that day, there has been no looking back, and I became a subscriber straight away. 3 cheers for Garima.
See?
1, 2, 3. Cheers. I'm now deep down the rabbit hole of watching all your previous episodes, and I must say the experience is getting better. Since I'm so new here, I have a very stupid question for you. How do I watch the entire episode for Awful and Awesome? I thought the videos are also behind a paywall, but looks like it's just the podcasts. Is that a fair understanding? If yes, it's so disappointing because I love watching your interactions. I was looking forward to consuming 50 minutes of this in each episode. So yeah, the full video is on YouTube.
Yeah.
You go to YouTube. The link will be in the show notes. And you go to all our shows, Hafta, Nuisance, Awful and Awesome, they have their own channels. Click and you can watch all of them. And I want to write to compliment you both. Abhinan, I think the subscriber from your previous episode was correct. You are an intellectual thirst trap and your banter with Rajshri is hilarious. I still haven't
It's
googled
like
thirst
Samay
trap.
Raina's
Thirst trap?
audience.
What's a
They
thirst
don't
trap
know.
again?
Thirst
You didn't tell
means
me
you
last
are
time.
like
can you-
you are like Jason
Katrina,
Momoa.
like-
I think I had
Yes,
checked this
yeah.
out last time also. I forgot
What?
this definition.
Thirst trap.
I think I'd googled
And
it.
it printed out. You put it on top of your laptop.
Yeah, but it still does make sense to me. I still understand. I have to now try to understand what
I'll
that means.
explain.
Yeah, okay,
Huh?
good. You put up a good show of being the gullible one, Rajshri. But there is a sparkle of mischief constantly on the face which gives away that I'm sure you're meaner to Abhinandan off camera. Cheers.
Never.
We are not taking this person seriously because वो पहले ही bias
Yeah.
reflect हो गया thirst
Yeah.
trap बुला के.
Yeah,
she's-
thirst
she or
trap
he
and
has-
all is a little.
What's the name of the person?
I will
Garima
find
Lakhanpal.
her.
Garima
We'll find her somewhere.
So Dev Tanay Laha says, Hi Rajshri and Abhinandan. Rajshri D.
The
Always fun to see and hear you both. Great banter and humor, such a treat. Some good shows reviewed and thanks Abhinandan for doing your homework. I always do my homework, Dev Tanay. Thank you so much.
never. Carry on.
Just finished watching Patal Lok and it was such a thought-provoking show. The way Uncle Ken talks about giving his people hope in the name of jobs, economic prosperity, almost at any cost, where he is willing to... Okay, we will not give away the
Yeah.
spoiler. Makes you think hard. Is this where all of India is headed? All of us want to live a lifestyle, get rich, gain access to all good things, not just education and healthcare, but material ones too. Would love to hear Abhinandan's perspective on it and similarities with Manipur, if any. On Nagamis resembling Bengali debate, I have to support Rajshri Di. Not because I'm Bengali, not at all. I'm sure it's nothing to do with that.
Please.
But because it is factually correct. A lot of words in Nagamis are actually from Assamese and Bengali. Being a
Exactly.
Bengali, I was amazed that I could understand a lot of the sentences because of similar words. I'm not a linguist, but I did some research and here is a paper which talks about origins of Nagamis. And the
Also
link is in the
Nepali,
show
right?
notes.
It has. So in fact,
No,
even-
Nepalese is not as.
No, but Nagamis has Nepalese words also.
Huh,
It's a
but-
mix of all these.
Yeah, but Nagamis is so similar to Bong.
But I was very surprised when I was watching Patal Lok. I could
Huh.
understand
See?
the Nagamis. So I was like, dude, how am I able to understand it? Then I realized that it's very, like some of the
Bong,
words are
yeah.
very similar to Bengali.
You understand Bengali?
It's very close. I can kind of understand.
Wow.
Not very thet Bengali,
me-
I can't. But
to
like
me
if
Bujhte
Rajshri
paro na?
speaks, I'll be able to understand.
Yeah, because Rajesh
But
is
not
like-
like
Yeah,
the
that
hinterland,
very, yeah.
I won't be able to understand.
But thanks Dev Tanay, and the link that Dev Tanay has put is in the show notes, so you can check that out as well. Before we read out any other mails, let's hear about this White Lotus. Why did you go first, Rajshri?
Season
Manisha?
3.
It's a fabulous show. You haven't
What's it
watched
about?
anything of White Lotus?
You haven't watched season 1.
Please watch
Did
season
anyone call
1.
you to Awful and Awesome to
Question. She's
White
questioning the host.
She's questioning the CEO.
But
But how can you host a pop culture show and not have watched White Lotus?
He
It's-
also watched Succession 5 years after it finished, na?
after we had raved about it
Yeah.
100 times.
And
So,
he said, now I want to discuss Succession. I said, no.
we had
Okay, I've
already we
forgotten.
discussed it when it.
Yeah. I forgot
No,
to notice
so you
that.
should watch Veep because you enjoyed Succession. And you
Which
should
he's
watch
been told 25
White
times.
Lotus also season
Okay.
1.
Why?
Start
What's it
from
about?
it. It's really fun. It's basically always set in a really fancy resort.
4 seasons gets the
Oh,
thing
you
usually.
guys have talked about
Yeah.
it on
The first one was set up in Hawaii. The second one was in
In-
Italy, and
So it's
now
not
they've reached
political then?
Thailand.
No. This is
Nothing
a
political, but it's
murder,
basically a resort,
like- How?
and bunch of rich people will go there and congregate, and there are different families, different lives, or whatever. And there's usually a murder, and the story always
But
goes
it's very
backward. The
funny.
first episode always has a dead body, and then it kind of
Yeah.
goes backward, and you have to figure out who's been killed.
And I love Jennifer
So it's
Coolidge
really-
saying, the gays are trying to kill me.
So this is like
it's,
this sounds like that film, not the past.
it's so good.
She's
the
so good.
the gays are trying to kill me. I love it.
She's really.
This sounds like that film with Pierce Brosnan. That-
James Bond?
Knives Out.
Knives
Knives
Out.
Out.
Huh,
Not Pierce Brosnan, it was
no,
Craig.
Daniel
Daniel
Craig.
Craig.
But
and it has a lot of interesting social commentary because
yeah,
there'll be like there's always this rich Wall Street kind of a guy and his family who's struggling with some business issues. This time also there's one family
then
which
like relationships, dynamics
relationship
in the
dynamics, woke kind of young people.
I see.
And this has Patrick Schwarzenegger,
Yeah.
who
Who's
is
he?
Arnie's son.
Oh, is he
And
big?
he's really good looking.
Really? So was Arnie.
And yeah, and he has, so they always have at least 2 to 3 full frontal nudity scenes, which create a lot of, I don't know why
And there's a
people in the, there's a little incest track. And
There's a
also,
strange sibling thing. in
sibling
the
No one
first
has-
incest
episode.
track.
Done anything about this?
No, they've said about his. I can't understand why people are upset about his full frontal nudity.
Who?
because he
They've shown
looks
his cock?
Yeah, so in the
Who's-
last one, they showed his cock.
But here,
I
they-
don't know. Oh, you're
but
influencing
here
bad
they, in the
influence.
first episode,
Half
this is the
the
butt.
show. No,
Half
literally
the
you can say. You can see in the mirror.
Rajshri, so Rajshri,
By the way, if here he's watching it, he's saying that wasn't half, that was just 1/4, 3/4.
Wait, hold on. Rajshri, watch that scene very closely.
Yeah.
Because actually you can only see the butt. So
because
she
I-
really kind of zoomed in
I
to
read
see
that
some half
you
or whatever.
press pause.
They said you have to
You paused
apologize.
and then zoomed.
They told him to apologize.
Who they?
Patrick.
Who's
you
they?
don't
You
even-
could not tell a butt from a penis.
You can
Are you
see
blind?
it in
You
the mirror.
can't.
in
It's
the
not
dark.
that easy. She
It's
zoomed
that-
in.
You cannot.
So it's
So hang on one sec. Are you guys
it's a guy. It's a guy walking into the
So
bathroom.
you
and you can see
cannot
his
tell
butt.
whether he's walking with his back to you or his front
No,
to you?
no, but you're seeing his reflection now.
The reflection only Rajshri's seeing. I only saw the butt.
He's walking, you're seeing his
Achha, so
beautiful
both
back,
eyes.
and from the
Okay.
on the other side is a mirror, and you can see
Okay,
him.
But I'm telling you, she zoomed. It's paused and zoomed.
I thought
It's not that apparent.
I'm sitting with two
Patrick,
people
yeah.
who can't tell
No.
whether they're seeing the front of a guy or the back
So
of a guy.
he has, there'll
Then
be-
we are really dealing with children.
No, there'll be another scene.
No, but
with
hold
him.
on. Who's they? First clarify that
The
they...
people have risen up
People
and
have
said
risen
that
up.
there's been lots of complaints about his full frontal.
They've changed the
nudity.
title track. That's what I'm upset. Like,
The
we want the
title
title
track?
track.
So
And
this is
it's
season
not,
3.
This is
Season
season 3, and it's not at just 4 seasons this time. That entire hotel are 4 separate hotels. Because they
Oh.
couldn't get the entire, like the beach scene where everyone's standing is actually a little sliver of sand, which is not in any of the 4 hotels.
But that's not unusual. A lot of
No,
films-
so it's
why-
always set in a 4 seasons hotel. So 4 seasons Sicily, 4 seasons
like that.
Hawaii,
And there's like
that.
a
But it's
crazy
called White Lotus, and that music is also.
Yeah, which they took out
It's on
from
Netflix.
the... It's on Netflix. You
It's
watch
on. No, it's on Hotstar.
it? Hotstar
Geo
Geo.
Hotstar.
Terrible
Also,
app, by
what
the
is-
way.
No, what is
Terrible
with
app.
that thing? So you have your profiles, right? Rajeshri and all. It has a strange, twisted face, like Mukesh Bhai is smirking at me ever since it became
you-
Geo Hotstar.
now you're being mean about Mukesh Bhai's looks.
No, I love Mukesh.
You are
Bhai.
lookist.
I'm
And it's-
lookist.
You are a lookist.
I'm a lookist.
But Geo app needs a
It's
lot
very
of work.
crap.
It's
No,
really
but
bad.
just quick thing. Have we reviewed Severance season 2?
No,
Oh, because I've
we are.
started.
You finished it.
I haven't dropped all the episodes. I can't finish it. I've
How
watched
many
4.
have you? You watched 4.
I watched 4. So we'll do that
Oh,
next
I have
time.
to do 2, 3,
So I've
4.
done my homework. Who was that who was doing Tana to me?
No, but
I watched it.
we are
These
not.
ladies did not let me discuss it.
Ladies.
This ladies, Mrs.
Ladies have not.
who
Mrs.
judge people for not cooking. But I'll just tell you one thing. When I was young, at the risk of sounding like an uncle who repeats the same story over and over again, I've said this on Hafta. I'd rather sleep hungry than enter a
Cook.
kitchen. And I remember
Young
my
is what
friends
age? What is
between the ages of, let's say, 19 to 30,
Okay,
32.
huh.
After that, I mean,
Have you lived alone?
yeah. And I remember when Khats and all, my
Yeah.
friends are 6'2", 120 kilos kind of guys. So they would say, fucking, was there anything to eat at home? I was...
So what did you do? Like, how did you
Abhinandan,
So I
survive
used
when
to
you
have
ate?
this dabba of panjiri, which my mother used to leave for me.
Used
in
to
the
just eat
apartment. So
panjiri?
this 5 kilo dabba of panjiri, and I used to have milk. So I used to pour a glass of milk, pour a katori of panjiri, and I used to have that for breakfast and for dinner. And if by chance the cook came or somebody came,
But
they'd cook.
momos and all you could have outside. food.
But
But then you're not a foodie also. You're not someone
No,
who's-
he likes food. Now, don't
Now
say
I've
you do
started-
like food.
I hardly like food. I mean, I can easily go to sleep
Because
hungry.
foodies generally then do eventually start cooking because you want to
No,
eat
but
good
I
food.
only started cooking when I was 25.
And now look, you've gone people and charged so much.
I'm like Ranveer Alawadya. If the people want something, I give it to them.
Give it to them.
I
If
don't
they say
then
this
give
is
them.
they said this is much hair jhol, you give them much hair jhol.
Yeah, I just charge them 20.
But why did you mention your cooking?
No, because you were talking about these ladies picked that cooking food, that film to review instead of
Mrs.
my.
It's
Acha,
a show. It's a film on social. It's a social commentary film, not a cooking show.
Right.
Just saying, MasterChef nahi hai.
So
Is there
Sneha.
something about men who can't cook? Like, is there some saying never trust a man who can't cook?
Yeah, you
Something
should.
like
I feel.
No, I
So there's
just
a saying
saw.
that never trust a person
I
who's
just saw there
rude
was
to
this
waiters.
someone tweeted. I'm sure there was a context to it. I'm not feeling
Huh.
personally affronted
Are you
because
sure?
that person doesn't know who I am.
Huh?
I'm guessing because I don't know who that person is. But this whole, because a lot of these men rights activists are, men are right, which is fucking insane, is stupid. But, oh yeah, next time I want to eat something, Ask your mama to cook, or ask your wife to cook, ask your sister to cook, ask your maid to cook. Oh yeah, I'm sure you don't know how to cook. It was so judgy about.
People who don't know how to
Oh,
cook.
like that?
I'm
You
like-
felt offended.
I
Okay.
felt like, okay, he's a dick, but it has nothing to do. He could know how to cook and still be a dick. Not knowing how to cook, there's a correlation.
I know a lot of men who are very good cooks who are quite big asses also, but it's nice
But
to know
can
how
you
to
tell if
cook.
they're big asses or big dicks? Because apparently you can't tell the two
changed
apart.
it. No, that's why I
You
couldn't say
can't-
that.
you can't
I
tell
thought
the-
big asses. That's right. But I think everyone should know how to swim. Everyone should know how to cook dal, rice, or whatever, pasta,
Be able
something
to survive.
to survive. And there's one more
Drive.
skill. No,
Not
drive,
drive.
I don't think you need to. But you should know how to swim. You should know how to cook.
And you should know whether it's a
Ass
front or the
or-
back. That you should know. Cause
It's all in the mind.
I would have cracked the joke, but I may get cancelled.
Yeah, I don't think you
If I-
should.
It will
I
be
know
too
about
dark.
you. Yeah.
Too dark for Awful and Awesome.
Then the news
If you
laundry
say-
will have to say bye.
So-
इसके दिमाग में फिल्म भरा है
Yes,
इलाज
but
से।
Models in a vomit, vomit.
So actually, there was this email that referred to your this thing with
Shaunak,
Sukesh
Shaunak,
So Shaunak says, "Dear Archana Abhinandan, I'm writing to make sure that my fellow Sukesh fan club member is aware that he plans to gift Jacqueline a
He's
private jet
gifted now.
for Valentine's Day. Gifted a
Yeah.
private jet.
This year.
Now.
Wow.
Okay, he also wrote her a love letter. One of the many moving lines in the letter was, quote, "Baby, before I say further, I want to take a moment to say, Jackie, I really love you. You're the best Valentine in the world. Love you like crazy."
Did she accept
And he
it?
didn't say
I
baby.
don't-
He said baby girl. I read the letter.
Also, Niku,
But did she take the private jet?
Yeah, of course she'll take it. Then
also,
today I don't know
Niku,
where.
you
Nice.
lecture us a lot about the importance of transparency in media, but you still don't know where you were on January 16th around 3 a.m. when Saif was attacked.
Love you
Shaunak-
guys. Stay
but-
brave, stay crazy.
But you know, when I read this, one thing that I thought, I was just thinking that, because 2 of the cases had come up regarding
Huh.
income tax last week, they've appealed the criminal case
Hmm.
against me. So, I mean, of course, if you're doing New Zealand, there's always a chance you go to prison.
Yeah.
And, with 4 or 5 cases happening at any given time, you don't know.
So I'm
But
going to
if I
ask for
do-
Mandoli.
If I do
prison.
go to prison,
Huh.
I was saying, what can I make of it? What is the best thing I could... Rashi, if I go to prison, I'll set you and Sukesh up.
But you have to
Then-
go to Mandoli. You can't go to Tihar and do. He's in Mandoli now. I know everything about Sukesh.
So how do I have to go to Mandoli?
You'll
then?
put in a request. They'll ask why you still want to hang out with Sukesh.
And then I'll say,
मुझे भी
Jacqueline,
friends
छोड़ो.
चाहिए. Sir, मुझे friends.
Then you can get a private jet, sell it, keep 70%, 30% to donate to New Zealand.
I think he really loves her and he's not going to shift his affection. He give her a
That's
private
really nice,
jet.
yeah.
But
He
if
is
any of,
such a nice
but
guy.
if any
cutie
of
pie.
us get arrested and go to prison, try to hook up at Mandoli
Yeah.
and tell Sukesh that उसको बोलो कि एक लड़की है जो सरहद पार उससे प्यार करती है.
I just think Jackie is so lucky because few people get a love like this. He's given her stallions, cars, private jet, and loved her through everything.
What more do you want? Okay, so now I think we should wind up. We have 5 more emails we'll read next time, but we are crossing the limit right now. We have time over. We have actually 8 emails left. Wow, we got a lot
Yeah.
of emails, Rashmi
you
says.
Those people love us.
But we must... okay, let's read Anupama's because it's short.
Okay.
Hey Rachana Abhinandan, I'm so glad that lately Abhinandan has been doing A&A quite regularly. A&A is my favorite thing on News Laundry. Although I do admire and follow everything else you do, I'm writing to recommend this awesome Pakistani series. Please watch Kabhi Main, Kabhi Tum if you haven't watched it already. I'm confident you'll love it. Have you watched it, any of you?
No.
Okay, Anupama,
How
thank you
do
so
we
much.
watch? On YouTube?
I watched that other Pakistani series with Fahad in it, which was such a disappointment.
It's on YouTube. You have to
I
watch
think
these.
I watched it on YouTube.
And there's one short one I just want to say.
Yes.
Shom Shubro has written by ANAU. I was abbreviating your show, not saying you like
Oh.
that. We are currently making the most of the Berlinale Film Festival.
Oh.
Have you guys seen the Pakistani film Joyland? So that's what I wanted to say.
I wanna
We've
see
not only
Joyland.
seen it, we've reviewed it on
Oh,
the
you've seen it.
show.
Yes.
It's there on, I'll tell you where it is.
But
because it's streaming somewhere.
Shom, I've been told to watch it. A lot of our subscribers have recommended it very highly.
It's excellent. It
But I
is
will watch it.
really a beautiful film.
What a movie.
And also this Manish, we have watched and reviewed American Murder, The Family Next Door. But thank you so much for writing in and telling us to. But that's been reviewed.
And someone said that their favorite rendition of Like a Virgin was the one that I sang. Thank you.
Again, no accounting for taste, but that's okay.
I will. Yeah. So, but we will read the rest of the emails next
Manish
time.
has only resubscribed because we started a video version of ANA. So please take note of that.
Yeah.
Then he's asked questions on the India versus Pak documentary, and Abhinandan and I, who are such great cricket fans, don't have any answers to any of these
There's
questions.
a documentary?
India versus Pakistan
Okay.
on Netflix. You want to review it for next time?
Maybe, but we will we will read all these emails next time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You can mail us at podcasts@newslaundry.com. But more importantly, please subscribe. Here's the QR code. We don't take any ads, which is why we can say what we want without fear or favor. And so much so that we're planning even when we go to jail, we'll figure out how we can go to the same jail where Sukesh is there so that
Mandoli.
Rajshri can be set up. But in that, please
Whatever.
make sure you know when he's going and when he's coming. He said, palat. He says, palta hua hu main. Then he'll get insulted.
My God.
He'll feel.
This is not going to leave you.
Then he'll feel. Then he'll feel very small.
You watch it too
Rajshri,
carefully.
It must have been dark.
Rajshri, then because if he's actually walking towards you and you say palat, he say I've paltoed. He'll feel very small.
You are a dirty man.
He's very dark also. No.
You can't make dark jokes. Fuck off. Yeah. You know you'll get us cancelled.
You think
How do you
Sukesh will be?
He'll say,
I think I'm
he'll
very
say, madam, you are the one who needs Fair and Lovely. That's what he'll say.
Shall I tell our listeners what
No
you
one's
gave
gonna
me?
believe
He
you.
bought me
No.
a Fair and Lovely.
For your birthday.
For just randomly.
that?
It wasn't even for my birthday, just like that.
I was told you shouldn't go to people's homes. Khali
He was
haath
going
when you
to
go for
someone
dinner.
else's home, but he got me the Fair and Lovely there. So I'm just saying thank you. Thank you, Abhinandan. You're so kind all the
When I
time.
went to Rocky's place for his 50th event, I took Chavanprash.
Ozempic.
So anyway, all these good gifts. I always have a gift for every occasion. So on that note, we must thank our producer Ashish and our sound recordist Anil. Thank you, Miss Sen.
Thank you, Mr. Sekri.
Thank you, Miss Pandey.
And it's a wrap.
Journalism at News Laundry is powered by the public. Because when the public pays, the public is served. Visit newslaundry.com/subscription and pick a payment plan of your choice. Pay to keep news free and independent. Your future, and indeed the future of democracy, depends on it.